Welcome back. It is what it is. Guys, it's been a while. We back again. It's 2023 and we're about to rock it. Check out the Street Talk podcast. It's also coming back. So just make sure that you check out the Street Talk podcast page. And then you'll be able to, to get a lot from there. So, it's crazy. I'm coming back with controversy or something. I don't know, but guys, I don't get it. I came across the video. It's a clip where the guy known as Rambuwani, the artist, Rambuwani machikuambori. We mutu eno niwe wako tiori adi hapo wa poet wangasiko numubiza ngori okambiwa ende wone ngori wa mudinda wa mudzimu wangasiko ne uri usike une wabori like, okay. One and however was that he spoke to, hola mtu okambiwa. And they wanted some dinda mzimu bangasibidze mtu okambiwa. I just don't get it how we find these church people or these guys bangwena feel ori bakujena kereke. Superior, they have to decide how other people have to live. There was no need to or kambiwa all this the ambore ola mtu angachakono da hapa kaporia mangachakono da panda watu asika une angakono amba so fuka zoraro ntana bazamo mujensera matori to degrade ngore arari we look at uri chifi mudinda mzimu kana chiri minzo zo komuzone. That behavior for me is completely out. You judging already. You making somebody look bad. That makes you who to judge. Come on. I hope you changa chiko uvati. Rekoda pezo ubu ya sorka zamo guda nyana chikuwa. But ndabandiene your guys, I don't know how you're gonna take it, but not support because zunezo ite yapala. Beside ori zuza skweti yani Lufuni loruya ni rufurwa Rinande ngobera ane abori ni Mufumakadzi wa SABC LIVHU ane na zino case kadiwa on but we turn into political drama or something. Zune, it was all about their institution, their what and their what they're gonna do, which they couldn't do all along. They couldn't even support anyone with those institutions, those promises, most of them. There are those that when they speak, they've been doing something. But some of them, they're just talking because they got the platform. To be honest, na wala muna wakwamba wachiri radio ina ibayasi. Hai, arihane edzuki daka zuingwe. Rodiwa fana muwa muhashi ako todo itama ane mapungo uri ave personala enga haye. But the next day ramufazora rongoroka idzio. So yeah, nina wa Rambuwani na wone ai. Kuitele kwa koriba mdinda mdzimu naone mini zuyambo zorina mashaka abo ane abori anu harwa abambi nao mus like arive one zuyambo abambi nao but let me play this clip we wanando jaja but I don't support it.
Rarfona richikovidza mungo mtu wa poeta zvino mena ini rodzudzanyeya hola mtu okambiwa arina mubidzi ufi onwa arina mubidzi vamuta hola mtu arina mubidzi ngamanda nendo rari ndimudzinda wa mtu ndikasikidze mtu onwawo adapa noni kokandera panda zvino